guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a humongous TJ Maxx haul for you guys. And it's heavy and I'm excited. So basically I went to TJ Maxx twice last week. 2 different days and 2 different TJ Maxxes. So there's a lot of stuff. There's clothing, there's like home decor, stuff like that. I'm not going to make this intro too lengthy because I just want to get into showing you the clothes because I haven't worn any of this stuff because I haven't filmed it yet. I told myself I'm not going to wear anything until I film it because I'm going to forget to film it and I'm going to make myself mad, and this is a long intro, so I'm just going to get into it. The first thing is, I saw this and I was like, I'm just a girl standing in front of a salad asking it to be a donut. That's me. So this is gonna go somewhere in my room. I don't know where, but it'll be somewhere. The next thing is, there's no particular order in this, so bear with me. This is a romper, and it's the first romper that I've ever gotten because rompers are always awkward on me. I'm very curvy, and this romper just fit just right. It was $16.99, and it buttons all the way up in the top, and it's like a sandy orange pinky color. I don't know how to describe it, but it's so cute, and I love it. I also went pajama crazy. These are pajamas, and they have little hearts on the shorts, and then on the top, this top is also so comfortable. It's espresso yourself, and yeah, I have a shirt that says this already, but not a pajama shirt, so it's different. I got these on super duper sale, and I can't really give you a reason of why I bought these, but I bought them anyway. They are Ralph Lauren pajamas, and they have sailboats on them. These are the shorts. And then this is the matching top. And I have no idea why I bought these, but I just love pajamas. I'm a sucker for pajama sets, and I don't know. I just love them. And they were $20. I got coffee. Love my coffee. This is the Starbucks Caramel Cafe Latte. K-Cups. It comes with a K-Cup pod, and then it also comes with a flavor packet. This is my all-time favorite K-Cup, and it is just so, so, so good. Lastly, I already opened these. Sorry. These are my Happy Yummies Super Assortment World's Best Tasting Gummies all in one bag. So there's like gummy worms, gummy spiders, gummy frogs, all in one thing, and it's amazing. I forgot that I hung up the 2 other things that I got. I was like, where's the rest of my stuff? So I got this dress, and I'm going to be wearing this to my boyfriend's formal. He's still at school, and he has a formal coming up. So I'm going to be wearing this dress, and this was, I feel like, oh, this is $20. Cheap for a dress. I got this dress as like an LBD little black dress. It's like a sheer material. It's very simple. It was $25, and it was just like a nice little black dress for any time. And I like the high neck. I think that's flattering on my body type anyway. And the short sleeves, I just think it's really cute. I actually went through that stuff faster than I thought. Go me. So I hope you guys liked this super quick haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love to shop, and there's more hauls coming. Let me just tell you, because the weather's getting warmer, and I'm going shopping for sundresses and tops and shorts. Get ready. There's going to be a lot of hauls, because I love to shop. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!